Are private pensions secure? Are they safe? This is not a video about public pensions, just private pensions. So not government. Forget about government. Okay, private pensions. I actually have a little bit of experience in this area, and I'm going to lead you to a website that may help. Okay, so if your company goes bankrupt, say you work for Acme Corporation and they make beer cans. If they go bankrupt or close, they may not be safe. To make things worse, it may be a little more risky than you think. So let's use this fictional company, Acme. What happens is the lawyers, the MBAs, the executives, to protect themselves against a lot of things. Okay, maybe it's an environmental problem they have or a safety problem they have, but also liabilities like pension. They don't want a catastrophic issue at one plant to take down the whole company. So many of them create LLCs, limited liability corporations. They create many of those for one plant. For as an example, that say you work for a large corporation, Acme's huge. Say they got 100 locations around the globe. They may create 100 LLCs for those 100 locations. So you think you have the strength of the entire organization around your pension, where really you only have your one location. So may not be as secure as you think. But the good news is there's something called the Pension Benefit Guarantee Corporation. This is just the United States. I should have started off with that. This is just the US. I don't know what they have in other countries. But the Pension Benefit Guarantee Corporation, you can search that and you could just use the acronym PBGC. Type that in, it comes up. It's the first thing that comes up on a Google search. But the problem with that, it's insurance on that the government created. I think it was in 1974 to protect against private pensions going bankrupt and not, being catastrophic to families. But there is a max. This is the hook. Okay, one, not every company belongs to the Pension Benefit Guarantee Corporation, that where companies pay a premium to have insurance. They pay a premium, so your company may not be in the Pension Benefit Guarantee Corporation. And number two, there's a maximum payout. So this maximum may cover 100% of your pension, maybe. It may cover a quarter of your pension, depends on how big your pension is. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen, show this website, kind of hack around on it a little bit, see what we see. Okay, now, this is not scripted. I'm just going to go to it. Okay, let's do that. I got to share my screen. I think we are now sharing. So I got to look this way to see my other screen. The Pension Benefit Guarantee Corporation. Here we are. There's welcome. It's really a nice official looking site, but there's a lot of things to get stuck on. So I'm going to go with about the Pension Benefit Guarantee Corporation, their mission statement. They protect retirement incomes of over 31 million American workers. So it's not everybody, but it's a lot. A defined benefit plan provides a specified monthly benefit at retirement, often a combination of salary based on years of service. It was created by the Employee Retirement Income Security Act of 1974. Blah blah blah. Okay, so it's a company that it's an insurance company basically. So, but here's the important part for me. I'm going to go back to home. Workers and retirees. You know, plans paying a premium. So you could type in your company right here and it'll do a search, okay? The company I used to work for was Alcoa. I can search that. And here's the different plans, Alcoa USA Corporation. And you can see Alcoa is divided up into, what's that, 5 different LLCs probably paying that. So you can check and see if your company is here. That's one thing you can do. So I'm going to go down, go to workers and retirees. I'm going to look for the guarantees, pension guarantees, maximum guarantee amount. And then you can go down to this table. This is the one for 2025, okay? And you can see past years. So say you are 65 years old, 65 years old, your maximum payout is $74.31 a month. And it's got a 50% joint survivor. So if you want that joint survivor, it's $66.88, which may sound great to you. But say, for example, you retire at 55 and you have this pension, you put in 30 years with the company and you retire at 55. Well, it is reduced down to 33.44. But if you want a 50% surviving spouse, it's just about $3,000. This number right here, $3,000 if you're 55. Now imagine you retired and your pension was $5,000 a month. Your company goes bankrupt. The Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation steps in, will be paying you, if you want the 50% survivor, $3,000 a month. So depending on the amount of your pension, that determines whether you think Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation solves all your problems or a partial amount of your problems. So go to this website, search your company, check the maximum, look at it. It's dependent on age that you retire, okay? Not the age that you are and that you want to start claiming benefits, okay? So take a look at that. Yeah, your pension may not be as safe as you think, especially this this practice of dividing your company up in LLCs really catches people off guard. They're not aware that companies do that they limit their liability. And one of their liabilities is the pension liability that they have out there. They don't want a pension liability, say here in Indiana, to drag down the entire company that may be global. So they created a LLC for Indiana. So check your company, see how, if it's one LLC or if it's many LLCs, get on the Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation's website, check that out. And there you go. That's my thoughts on, are your private pensions safe? I think generally yes, but if you could tell by the tone of my voice, you've got to think about 30 years from now. So if you're 55 and you're retired, if you have a small company in existence, is it going to be in existence 20 years from now, 25, 30? That's a long time. It's a long time. So do your homework. Start with the Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation website. This is Joe out.